Hi my beautiful stars, welcome back to my channel. So today is another sit down kind of chillaxed video. I am sitting like right in front of my window and obviously my bed's right here, and I went to the Dollar Tree and I scored pretty big today, and this just is a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. So if you like Dollar Tree hauls and miscellaneous hauls in general, definitely click the subscribe button and like this video if you like it. I'd love it if you stay here and join my little family here on my little slice of pie here on the internet. And yeah, so without further introduction, let's just get into the haul. So I have this vision of a really fun kind of Valentine's Day-ish themed photo shoot, and I thought of it right when I got this Free People dress that I ordered off of Vinted. I was like, oh my gosh, I can do a whole photo shoot. Just haven't done photo shoots in a while, so I thought this would be a perfect time to do it. It's going to be, again, like I said, semi Valentine's Day themed. So right now they have these confetti filled latex balloons, and you get 6 for $1, which I mean, I feel like you could probably get them more expensive at Party City for this kind of balloon, but they are heart-shaped, and so I'm gonna try them out. I already got one pack earlier, but then I was like, with what I have in my mind, I think having more on hand would be better than not having enough. I got those, and then I saw this one had more of a selection, so they had just more assorted colors that are also supposed to be like a heart shape, and I'm excited about these ones. And these have 12 instead of just 6, which honestly I could have just gotten those and then gotten like pink confetti and filled those up with that, but might as well get more. And to go with the photo theme, they have a ton of doilies right now, and so I got this size of the white ones, and you get 24 in here, and I thought these were really cute. When I'm done with them, I might just like wrap them up with my packages or something. And then I got the pink ones, which are a little bit larger in size, and you get 16 in here instead of 24. I have an idea in my mind, so I'm gonna see how it looks. If it doesn't end up working out, that's totally okay. It's just $1. They have some really cute socks right now, and I just cleared out a ton of my socks and donated them, so I thought that I could just get a few more pairs. And these ones say "You complete me." I loved like the sparkly french fries. They're super cute. So it's just a ketchup bottle and the french fries, and I thought that was really cute. I love little socks like that. These ones I thought were really cute too, and I think they're taking a selfie and it says #love. I feel like they're really rolling out some cuter items right now, which is awesome, and I think it's great as like a little gift. My mom has always given us Valentine's Day gifts, so I thought like one day when I have kids, I think that'd be fun to do. And their tissue paper is by far one of the favorites to get, and even though you don't get a lot for $1, I think it's always nice to have tissue paper on hand. So I saw these heart designs and then just the pink color, and I thought that was really cute. You get 10 for $1. This one caught my eye, and I like how the hearts are like doodled. I think that's really cute. This is in no particular order if you can't already tell. Then this one had a lot of Wet n Wild products, more than I've ever seen before. I love their brow mascara. It's awesome, and I was looking for that, but I ended up finding their Mega Last Liquid. I can't see the name past the writing, but it's a high shine lipstick, and it is in the color Late Night Done Right. And this is like a really dark purple color. So I thought I'd try it out. It doesn't hurt to try it. And I love how their packaging is just very simple and doesn't use a ton of plastic. They had a huge garden section, which always makes me really happy. So I got some more of their hummingbird nectar. I have a hummingbird feeder in the front. I used to have it in the back there. Or wait, I think it's still in the back. I never took it inside. I had it in the front yard, but then I felt like that might be too busy, so I just put it in our backyard on a tree, and I'm looking at it right now. But you can make your own hummingbird nectar, but I thought I might as well just get some so I have it on hand because it goes really fast. I actually have never seen any hummingbirds out there, but I assume that probably other animals or bugs are drinking it or something. So also in like the beauty section, I found this 3-pack of the travel Kleenex, and this is something that I've been looking for a while. These are always great to have, and I always seem to like not have any tissues when I need them the most, so I'm gonna throw one in my purse, one in my car, and then I'll just have an extra on hand. I got more tissue paper. So I thought this was only seasonal, but I found it and I picked up more because this is so pretty. Like, it has the eucalyptus leaves, and then there's like a wood kind of look, or I think it's just tan, and then there's the birch looking, and then more of like the print here. And I think this is just so pretty, and I love those for my packages and also for gifts, so I got 2 of those, the only 2 I could find in the store. Always treat myself to a little Arizona tea. This lasts me for like a few days because I just have them in like small increments, and I love it. I know you can get it, I think, cheaper at a store like a Cub Foods or something, and it wouldn't be a Molli Dollar Tree haul without my coconut water. This stuff is so good if you haven't tried it yet. And they had even more Wet n Wild makeup, so I got this concealer and it's Imposing Nude. This was the only color I could see, but hopefully they'll have other colors available. But what I like about Wet n Wild is they're cruelty-free, and I try to use cruelty-free products as much as possible. So I thought I'd try it out, and I always love to have more than one concealer on hand because sometimes I want to change it up and try out a new one. So thought I'd try that one, especially for just $1. And this is like the child in me. I saw this and I kind of like gasped. They had a Karina Garcia Craft City slime kit. And what shocked me about this is because her stuff was sold at like, I think Target and Walmart, and then at craft stores. So I was so surprised to see this. This was one of 3 that was left in the store. I was so surprised. You get 10 mini slimes. She had this out for a while, and I know that it was kind of expensive, so I was shocked to see it at the Dollar Tree. If you have kids, just check out the Dollar Tree, or if maybe you're a teacher, this would be great for like a sensory platter for like the table. I know with COVID it might not be a great thing right now, but maybe for the future. I think slime is just fun in general for sensory and also for fidgeting and stuff. And the last thing I went there for, and I'm so happy I found them. I've been on the hunt for these. I know that these were something that a lot of people were hauling, and I was like, what the heck? I want those so bad, and I couldn't find them at any store that I've gone to. Finally found them, the really cute storage container bins. It's called their window storage bin because it's the window pane look. Super cute. It's pretty small in size, but I have an idea for these. I have a bookshelf right here that's also is like my nightstand, and it's full of like my older children's books and stuff that I used to read when I was younger, and I really don't read any of those anymore, but they are collectible books, so I want to put them away in like storage and then use the shelf for other things that I would rather have on the shelf. So that is everything that I got today. I hope that you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Shine bright!